Aqara Smart Wall Switch. Aqara Smart Wall Switch is a smart device that can turn on/off the lights. After it is paired with the hub, this product can be controlled remotely through the app and can work with other Aqara Smart devices to realize various functions of interaction control. Reminder: to ensure your safety, it is recommended to hire a professional electrician for installation. 1. Remove the original wall switch before replacing the smart wall switch. First, please cut off the power of the original wall switch. Check it with a test pencil to make sure that the power has been cut off, and then completely remove the wall switch. Tips: if the wires in the pattress cannot be clearly distinguished, you can power it on after removing the switch completely and checking it with a test pencil. The live wire carries the current, and the wire at 0 volts is a wire connected with the lights. 2. Remove the original switch after ensuring that the power has been completely cut off, and then mark the wires with the wires label to help distinguish the corresponding wires during the installation process. 3. Install the smart wall switch as the following diagram shows. It is recommended for users to connect the ground wire. If there is no ground wire at home, you do not need to connect it. Please check the wiring and use screws to fix the switch on the bottom of the box. Reminder: there is no need to tighten the screws particularly hard to prevent the switch from deformation. Buckle up the cover of the switch. Powered on, use the button to turn on the lights connected with it, and observe the change of its indicator light. The red light will slowly flash. If you can't control it, please check whether the wiring is correct and the power supply is on. Quick setup. Please open the app and then tap plus in the top right corner to enter. Add Device Accessory page. Select Smart Wall Switch with neutral single rocker and add it according to instructions. If the connection fails, please move the hub closer to the switch. Connect to power and try again. Effective range test. Enter the Device List Accessories page and single-click the button 3 times continuously. The hub plays a voice prompt,
"Normal link confirmed,"
and then the corresponding device icon on the app flashes, which can confirm the correspondence between the actual device and the app device list. In the automation list, select the automation. When the wireless switch is single-clicked, the lights turn on/off. Demonstrate the execution effect of the created automation just 1 or 2 times. Delete the device by the app. Long press the reset button for 5 seconds until the blue indicator light flashes and then release it. When the hub voice prompt plays "Device deleted,"
"Device deleted."
this indicates that the device has been deleted successfully.